Yoga for Belly Fat Reduction. Welcome to our yoga session focused on reducing belly fat and supporting weight loss. Today, we will practice 5 effective yoga poses that will help strengthen your core and enhance your overall fitness. Let's begin. Pose 1. Boat Pose, Navasana. Sit down on your mat with your legs extended in front of you. Lean back slightly, keeping your spine straight and core engaged. Lift your legs off the ground, keeping them together at a 45-degree angle. Extend your arms forward, parallel to the ground. Hold this position for 15 to 30 seconds, breathing deeply. Tip: focus on maintaining balance and engaging your core. Take a deep breath in and exhale as you prepare for plank pose, Kumbhakasana. Move into a push-up position with your hands directly under your shoulders. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core and hold the position for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Breathe steadily, focusing on your form. Tip: avoid letting your hips sag. Keep your body strong and straight. Lower your knees and take a moment to breathe before moving into the next pose. Pose 3. Cobra Pose, Bhujangasana. Lie face down on your mat with your legs extended and feet hip-width apart. Place your hands under your shoulders, with elbows close to your body. Inhale and lift your chest off the ground, using your back muscles. Keep your shoulders down and gaze slightly upward. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds while breathing deeply. Tip: feel the stretch in your abdomen and back as you hold the pose. Exhale as you lower back down and prepare for the next. Pose 4. Bicycle Crunches, Modified. Lie on your back with your legs lifted and knees bent at 90 degrees. Place your hands behind your head, elbows wide. As you exhale, bring your right elbow toward your left knee while extending your right leg. Inhale and switch sides, bringing your left elbow toward your right knee. Continue alternating for 30 seconds. Tip: move smoothly and focus on engaging your core with each twist. Take a moment to relax and prepare for the final pose. Pose 5. Warrior 2, Virabhadrasana 2. Stand with your feet wide apart, turning your right foot out 90 degrees. Bend your right knee, keeping it directly over your ankle. Extend your arms parallel to the ground, gazing over your right hand. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch sides. Tip: ground your feet firmly and feel the strength in your legs and core. Conclusion: great job! You've completed our session focused on reducing belly fat. Remember to practice these poses regularly and combine them with a balanced diet for optimal results. Thank you for joining.